The lead. Painted Woman away second. Holiday Jazz third as they move into the far turn. Stormy Donna Gale now moves up toward the inside and goes to third. Dorothy's Aurora fourth. Holiday Jazz is fifth. I'm a Dixie Diva a wide sixth around the turn. Love Like Crazy seventh inside of Sassy Secretary, who's eighth. Break of three to Blushing Rain in ninth. Me Margarita goes 10th. Grace Was Given is 11th and last, but Gypsy Robin is the leader, chased by Painted Woman. Length and a half separate the top two, quarter mile out. Stormy Donna Gale is third, looking toward the outside. Dorothy's Aurora goes fourth. Here's Painted Woman chasing after Gypsy Robin. Gypsy Robin has the lead a length and a half. Painted Woman with an awkward run through the stretch is second. Gap of four back to Stormy Donna Gale, then Dorothy's Aurora. Final furlong, Gypsy Robin and Jeffrey Sanchez just kicking on for the wire. Impressive victory for Gypsy Robin, who crushes the field here. Painted Woman was home second. Dorothy's Aurora got up for third on the outside, and Stormy Donna Gale was fourth.